Youth, focus, take charge, be responsible. Young people are affected by COVID-19 and we can be seriously ill. We must remember that this virus does not single out individuals but can infect anyone at any time if we do not follow official health advice.
Yes, we would rather be at the beach right now or hanging out with our friends, but the longer we take to follow the official health advice and practice physical distancing, the longer we will be faced with these strict lockdown measures. So please, stay inside.
With all this time on our hands, it's easy to feel bored and be overwhelmed.
Let's use this time to reconnect with ourselves and continue working on our dream.
Start that new course, create that business plan, or simply unwind and engage in some self-care. There is no pressure for you to come up with a master plan. We can make it through this. We must. How we react in the face of this adversity will define our generation. This is a call to action for the youth across the region. Let's play our part in the fight against COVID-19. We have taken up the challenge. Will you?